it's Miss Miranda. Time for math. Make sure you're sitting in an area where your ears can be listening. You have room to work on your table. You need your pencil and your math mat. You need your crayons and your listening ears. So, yesterday we talked about coins and adding coins, taking away coins, all of that. We also read story problems that told us how many someone had and then some went away. Good. Today we're going to talk about symmetry. So, Miss Miranda mentioned that a little bit to you. Remember, symmetry is when the left side and the right side are exactly the same when you draw a line down the center. So today your lesson paper is going to be 129. Now, the best way Miss Miranda knows to tell you about symmetry is to think about something like a butterfly. I have some different butterflies here. Look at this one. The right side and the left side look exactly the same. If I drew a line right down the middle, the right and the left would be the same. Another way you can do this, boys and girls, go ahead and pick up your paper. Then I want you to take and hold it horizontal and take the top and pinch it down to the bottom. Okay? Fold it up, fold it up, fold it up. Fold it, push, 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 push. Now, open it up. There should be a line close to the middle going down your paper. This side and this side look exactly the same. Good. Now, if I took my butterfly and I folded her wings, they match up. The right side and the left side are the same. This, boys and girls, is called symmetry. This is a symmetrical thing or object or insect, a symmetrical insect. The right side and the left side look exactly the same. If we took our body and we drew a line right down the middle, do we have an eye on the right and an eye on the left? Yes. Do we have an ear and an ear? Yes. So we are symmetrical. The right side and the left side are the same. Now, take a look at your paper. You have pattern blocks there. Let's look at this together. Find the hexagons. How many hexagons do we have? Good. Write the number 1 in one and write the number 2 in the other. So it should look like this. Okay, that tells me that we have 2 hexagons. Now let's find the triangles. 1, 2. Good job. Now squares. 1, 2. Did you label it? 1, 2. Good. Now trapezoid. 1, 2. Do you notice the pattern, boys and girls? The 1s are on this side. The 2s are on this side. All right. What about parallelogram? 1, 2. And the last shape, the rhombus. 1, 2. Are all the 1s on the left side, boys and girls? Yes. Are all the 2s on the right side? Yes. That means that this picture is symmetrical. Say that. Symmetrical. Good job. Now, you're going to color this picture the correct color. Think about what color the pattern blocks are in the class. When you finish, you're going to turn your paper over. You're going to draw your lines down the middle of your dominoes, okay? Down the middle, making the whole domino into 2 halves. Then, count how many dots are on each half and how many are in all. Take your time and count carefully. See what you get. Do your best, and I'll see you next time.